A couple of questions on China and just your quad outlook there, given the recent weakness in the data. Any comments?
Yeah, so China is the worst of times is right now for China, evidently. Don't forget that on slide 118, guys, you can see that the toughest comparison for China is now. Okay, so the worst the data is going to look is now. Okay, so Q1, what we're showing here, is the 2-year base effect. For those of you that don't know what the 2-year base effect is, add up the last 2 years and divide by 2. Okay, so there you go. Here, this number right here is quite a squirrel. You know, this thing is in order of magnitude, this sucker's never happened before. Okay, as you can see, the 2-year base effect back here was in the high single digits, actually called 6.5 to 6.8%. Then the base effect dropped, and the Chinese stimulated, so you get this absolutely epic elected for life move for Xi. Now, all he's been doing is seeing slowdown. Again, this is the data, the blue line. This is what China's been doing. Made up or not, that's actually, they are making up the numbers, but they're still slowing. The made up numbers are still slowing, okay? So we should make that red because that's very bad, okay? Very, very hugely bad. Now, you're gonna have a lot of deals because this is slowing into this base effect, okay? Think of this, for those of you that don't do math in rate of change space, but you have climbed a mountain before, okay? So we're walking nicely at 2,000 feet, feeling pretty good, all right? At 2,000 feet, anybody can go up the hill, right? Right up in here. All right, now we're gonna go up a little fast. We're gonna go up to 3,000, 4,000 feet. Ooh, our pace might slow, okay? Now we're gonna wrap it up to 12,000 feet. 12,000 feet. Now, if you are not in shape, or you are in shape, you will see a significant decline in your output and speed, okay? All things held equal. You know, the color of your hair, the size of your nose, all those things. People yelling from the heavens, oh, but don't worry. You're not really slow. You're really gonna do this faster. No, 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 okay? So that's the whole point of using the base effect. Again, all things held equal, this is a much tougher comparison. It's a steeper part of the mountain, and you need to do something that's unbelievable. Unbelievably huge and awesome, in the words of the greatest president in his own mind of all time, you know, to comp that. So that's our point on China. For the next, really, until we get out of March and April, you're going to have to deal with just rancid economic data points. And if you want to buy stocks on that, then you can. It's just not my cup of tea because I like utilities. REITs, gold. I mean, I don't have to buy China.